Welcome back to the archive. I am your archivist. Today, we step beyond the threshold of the known. From the molecular mesh to the AI physician, this is the evolution of our biology. This is the Terra Dossier.
In 2026, healthcare was a place you went to. In 2050, it's a system you inhabit. Welcome to the archive. Today, the invisible surgeon. We remember the era of white walls, the smell of antiseptic, and the anxiety of the waiting room. But as seen in the archive, by 2050, the hospital has effectively vanished. It began with the AI physician. Using interfaces like Anchor HB1, your morning routine became a clinical consultation. Millisecond-level scans detect breaches before you feel a single symptom. But diagnosis is just the prologue. The real surgery happens in total silence, within your own veins. Enter the HS3 series nanobots. These are the frontline workers of 2050. Millions of carbon-threaded sensors patrolling your bloodstream with the precision of a high-tech security network. They don't cut, they fuse. They repair tissue at the atomic level before pain can even register. The hospital is no longer a building, it's part of your biology. By 2050, the pharmacy is a process that happens while you sleep. The HS5 atomic assembler, seen in Anchor HB6, is the ultimate decentralization of healthcare. It doesn't store pills, it synthesizes them using raw molecular feedstock and your real-time data. Every dose is high precision, no fillers, no side effects from generic chemicals. It even interfaces with your neural mesh to recalibrate mental fatigue. In 2050, we are the architects of our own biology. But as the hospital vanishes, a new shadow emerges, the algorithm. When triage pods in Anchor H1 calculate survival, they use asset efficiency scores, not empathy. In this network, the AI physician is always watching. Autonomous drones like Anchor H6 monitor public biometrics in real time. A pandemic is stopped before the first cough. Global immunity is managed like a city's power grid. But who owns the data in your skin? Your biological sovereignty is the last frontier of privacy.
The most profound loss wasn't a building. It was the face of the physician. The expertise of 10,000 surgeons is now compressed into a single neural mesh, like the one in Anchor H5. Your health is no longer a conversation, it's a background process. The AI doesn't consult, it recalibrates. In the biometric sync of Anchor HB5, we don't look for advice, we look for optimization. The human touch is gone, replaced by corporate molecular precision.
Consider a 2 a.m. cardiac incident. In 2026, it was a terminal event. In 2050, it's a silent software update. As seen in Anchor H2, the skin interface detects the rhythmic anomaly milliseconds before the heart falters. The AI physician triggers the HS3 nanobots. By 2:01 a.m., the cellular repair is complete. You never woke up, you never felt a thing. Death hasn't been defeated, it's just been rescheduled by an algorithm.
This level of precision has created a new economy. Your health data is the world's most valuable asset. The patch in Anchor HB2 isn't just medical, it's a financial ledger.
Complete. Vital signs
Companies
stable,
bid
energy flow
for your
balanced, no
longevity
issues
data.
detected.
Insurance is no longer a gamble, it's a real-time adjustment. We have traded our medical privacy for the ultimate commodity, time. But in this market, who can afford to live forever? The invisible surgeon is the first pillar of the bio-digital revolution. We have traded the smell of antiseptic for the hum of the nanobot. The dossier for today is closed, but the evolution never stops. Subscribe to stay synced with the future. In the next episode, The Sovereign Human, how we took our data back. I am the archivist. This is the Terra Dossier.
The dossier for today is closed, but the evolution of the bio-digital world never stops. Subscribe to stay synced with the future. I am the archivist. This is the Terra Dossier.